How to deactivate your Instagram account easy and quickly, step by step. I'll show you in this video right now. Please subscribe at this channel and leave a comment down here if this step by step works. Thank you, my dears. How to deactivate your Instagram account with this last method because the Instagram was updated. So follow this step by step, easy and quickly. The first thing you need to know is don't skip the video, please, because if you skip this video, you will lose the important point. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is check if your Instagram is updated, because to you do this step by step, the Instagram account needs to be in the last update. So you check this information is very simple. You just need to open your Play Store app or your App Store, and in search options, you need to write Instagram. Okay, tap on Instagram, and in this part it shows open. In your case it will be update. You just need to tap in update, wait for a few seconds, and tap in open to you open your Instagram app. It will show this main screen of Instagram. You just need to tap in profile options in this bottom right corner. Okay, and after that it will show this screen. You just need to tap in these 3 line points. It will show these new options, and let's go until the settings and privacy. And so when you enter in this new screen, don't forget, please leave a comment down here if this step by step works. Leave a comment, for example, oh, thank you, it works. You can't imagine how powerful is your comment. Subscribe at this channel and leave a like. Okay, when you access this main screen, you just need to tap in this information, account center. Okay, inside the Mira, okay, tapping right here, and it will show many options. You scroll down until you find account settings and personal details. Tapping right here in personal details, it will show this screen. In this screen it will show your own options. You must tap in account ownership and control. After that, inside the account ownership and control, you must tap in deactivation or deletion. Tapping right here, you must select which account you want to deactivate. In our case, we'll deactivate the Instagram account. Tapping right here, and now it's done. For standard configuration, it will show setting deactivation account. Careful to do not click in these last options, delete account. Okay, just need to click inside to deactivate account and tap in continue. The Instagram will request you to put your Instagram password. Just put your Instagram password and all will be done. Don't forget to leave a comment down here if this step by step works, and if this step by step doesn't work, remember, comment down here the mark and the model of your phone and what happened, because here we bring all tutorials for you about your comment. Thank you, my dear friends, to watch this video. Until the next video, and see ya.